Hi guys,
Hi,
welcome back. It's another day. I'm back with Samya and I'm back with Sonakshi.
Hey,
We
today-
sometimes call her Sonali, but
No.
that's a story for another day, another vlog.
Now we're deciding where do we want to go. We are at IFC today. So
We come
where do you
here for
think
the
we're
second
gonna
time
go?
from the office, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
because it's our
Yeah.
break time. We can do
Yeah.
whatever we want in our break.
Who cares? Who cares?
And
So-
food is, we can eat it whenever.
Yeah.
One does, and so is not here.
So
Yeah.
I think this
Missing
Melt
out
House
the-
place is good now.
This one,
I
this
don't know.
looks good.
Good now.
It's an all-day cafe though. Is it nice?
I've heard it's good. Like they have good desserts and all. I think they'll have good coffee and matcha and stuff.
It says that it's open as well. Say it says it's open.
Yeah.
And it's the pouring as well. What are the pouring? Do you think we should go in?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going in just because you're saying. Do you wanna have Fritz cigarette?
What is that?
Do you wanna have Fritz cigarette?
Not really. Not right now.
See the Gen Z
Maybe
people know what the
I can
millennial
have it
might know.
later tonight.
What is that?
Diet Coke, which is very chilled, and it's kept in the fridge, is called fridge cigarette.
Oh, is that so?
Yeah. What?
A squad that eats together
Stays together.
See, you guys should have come in. I'm just
Yeah.
alone. You guys should have come in, but it's
Yeah.
okay.
Nakshi, you look like you just walked out of a Dior store. I love your blouse today.
Thank you.
It's so French.
Thank you.
And
Please, it
Samya.
fits the place's vibe.
Yeah, you guys are, matching today in satin.
look.
Yeah, satin
Corporate
girls.
look.
Yeah. Oh,
You
so
are the
now
only
interested in
person-
Samya's drink now.
Yeah, only person has gotten a plate.
Because there's
We all
too
are
much here
plateless.
happening. Because there's too much happening here.
Yum.
That's the.
Green is indeed your color today.
Yeah.
Sammy, what have you ordered? Your drink looks so good.
This is nice.
I know it's too tempting.
nice.
This is a mocha s'mores latte. It has a lot of sweet stuff which is giving me diabetes, but I know it's gonna be very good. It has Nutella also, it has hazelnut, it has cream, it has s'mores. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's really,
Yeah.
it's looking very satisfying to me. I can't wait to try it.
Let's exchange it.
And
Yeah,
I've tried a mango
Since
matcha latte. Sonakshi, what have you ordered?
Yeah, so this is matcha frappe, which is matching with my so-called Dior shirt.
It is.
Yeah.
So guys, we have all ordered our drink. We're gonna rate it out of 10. We're gonna rate it on a piece of paper and then we're gonna exchange score at the end of it all. So we're gonna rate it out of 10. Too hot to handle, too cool to melt. So we are back. We have the chits with us. We have written the scores and we all have chits. We're gonna discuss what
the
we have
car.
rated, yeah, and then we'll give the average score out. Did you like your
I loved
drink?
mine.
Yours was,
It was
good.
very heavy, but I loved it. Now I'll have lunch like an hour or two later. We'll take a cab.
You liked your
Yeah, I like mine also.
I
I
also
like
like
all
my
the three
drink.
today, in fact.
Huh?
But which
I
one
like
was
all
the
the three
winning?
today.
Yeah.
Which one was the winning one?
Okay, we're
I
discussing
think
it now.
yours. I
Mine?
felt- yeah,
Yeah.
because the mango flavor, it was.
Ulta, I didn't like both the matcha ones. I think the
Yeah,
matcha was
because-
not that good. Like we've had much better matchas at a lot
Exactly.
of better places.
Yeah.
I
But
didn't like
I
both the
liked
matcha
hers,
ones.
the mango flavor was coming very nice.
maybe.
Ulta, I didn't like both the matcha ones.
Oh, uncle is here. He has reversed the entire way. Yay. और अंकल आपको कैसा लगा IFC?
हाँ बढ़िया लगा बेटे।
आपने पहली बार घूमा है?
हाँ
सीट बेल्ट।
थोड़ा मैं ये घूम रहा था बाहर ही।
We can come for proper lunch here once. I have no. Want some like
मैं थोड़ा पैर ठीक रहेगा बैठे बैठे अच्छा नहीं है।
Unit communists are not good, but there are a lot of other places that are. So it's just more.
I think we can discuss the score now.
That's
So what was the first drink?
matcha
matcha
frappe.
frappe.
So I'll tell first. I've given it a 7 out of 10.
Okay.
I've given it a 6 out of 10.
Oh my
Okay.
god.
Sonakshi, what have you rated
I
it?
have rated an 8.
8 out of 10.
6, 7, 8. You have
So I think the average is 7.
yeah.
Yeah.
Next one was s'mores latte. I have given it a 10 on 10. It was beautiful. It was good. It was so Gen Z. It was sweet. It was creamy. It was chocolatey. It was caffeinated. It has a taste of Biscoff. It had marshmallows. It was good.
Even I've rated it a 10.
Yeah.
This is my drink. It was too good.
It was too good.
Too good.
What about you,
I
Sonakshi?
gave it a 7. I don't know, but it was, tasting me as a normal latte.
Maybe.
But 10 on 10, 27 divided by 3.
9.
Okay, yeah, so
Yeah.
9 and then yours is 7. So I gave my drink an 8 out of 10. Mango latte.
Yeah, I gave your drink a 10. Because, I really
10?
like the mango.
Really?
Yeah. That is what I do. I really like the mango flavor coming in
Oh,
it.
I rated it a
Yeah.
7.
Okay, then 7 and 8 and 10. What is the average, guys? 7, 8 and 10.
Around 8 point something.
Yeah. So the winning dish is Samya's.
Yeah.
The second one is, I think, mango matcha. The third one was mango frappe.
Yeah.
Good day. Office vlog. They end on break is over. We're getting late. Not late because we left, a bit late today, so we're fine. Let's go. We'll see you at the office. We'll go say hi to Anjita as well because she missed out.
I think these guys will also just
We
Camera
just
missing.
take the reverse turn and then we just enter another lane
stand.
and then we face the traffic. Came from that side in the opposite side,
Just put this
reversed
on the
it, parked it here. Now we'll go there. Otherwise, we would have taken a very big U-turn. Would have wasted a lot of time.
And there are people,
Uncle is a
that they
professional.
criticize on this thing.
Do you want to have something in the middle of office, in the middle of day?
We can.
I mean,
Should we?
there's a bar right in front also that.
But we're good girls. We don't drink. We just drink.
Don't.
We just drink coffee.
Yeah.
So, do you have anything interesting to say?
Which I missed on.
I have nothing interesting. We are just going for coffees and we're just eating every day. That's the interesting part of my life.
I think that's how everyone should be living their office life as well. Otherwise, days get monotonous. We find excuse to step out of the office and do something.
No, I feel very bad. You need to step out and just clear your hair.
Yeah, you need that 200 steps we are taking. On a break, it's good.
Get old sitting at the desk.
Yeah, otherwise you're going to get arthritis or some bone diseases. Yeah,
Straight up.
I'm telling you this because I have a Mosa Ji, and his name is, let's call him M. He has been working in the corporate world for a very, very long time. And now he has back problem. He can't sit without a cushion. So, I mean, we want that to happen.
No.
Yeah.
You need to have something exciting.